Let me show you 5 car logos with hidden meanings you probably didn't know. Number 1, Cadillac. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. This fancy logo actually comes from a French coat of arms. Those little bits they used before, they represented always reaching higher. Cadillac said, "We are luxury, we are noble," and they meant it. Number 2, Audi. The rings ain't just vibes. Each ring represents one of the 4 companies that joined together in 1932. Audi, DKW, Hodge, and Wanderer. 4 rings, 4 companies, 1 strong brand. Number 3, this one shocked me. The age is actually 2 people shaking hands, a Hyundai rep and a happy customer. It literally symbolizes trust. Cute, ne? Number 4, Lamborghini. The raging bull isn't random. Ferruccio Lamborghini's star sign was Taurus. So he said, yep, that's the logo. Strong, bold, stubborn. He felt it matched his personality. Number 5, Toyota took 5 years to design this. The 2 inner ovals represent relationship between you and the company. And the outside overall represents the world embracing Toyota. And if you look properly, the shape form a hidden T. Crazy how much meanings is behind something we see every day, right? If you want more fun car facts, car buying tips, or brand secrets, follow for more. It's Ntavi, the car sales lady, explaining cars the simple way.